You cannot be lonely if you like the person you're alone with. Forgiving people in silence, and never speaking to them again, is a form of self-care. If you don't design your own life plan, chances are, you'll fall into someone else's plan. And what they have planned for you is not much. Stop looking for happiness in the same place you lost it. The people with the worst past can create the best future. The real man smiles in trouble, gathers strength from distress, and grows brave by reflection. Healing doesn't mean the damage never existed. It means the damage no longer controls your life. The greatest thing you can give yourself is freedom from what others think. You can waste your life drawing lines, or you can live your life crossing them. Your wound is not your fault, but your healing is your responsibility. We cannot simply sit and stare at our wounds forever. We must stand up and move on to the next action. One day, you'll laugh at how much you let this matter. Clocks show time, and time shows people. Change the person in the mirror, and your world will change. Your value is not determined by someone else's inability to see your worth. Don't cling to yesterday. It was beautiful, but it was yesterday. If you can find paths with no obstacles, it probably leads nowhere. Problems are the price you pay for progress. Close some doors today, not because of pride, incapacity, or arrogance, but simply because they lead you nowhere. Stop being so available to people who are only there for you when it's convenient for them. The energy we spend to complain can be redirected to act for change. When we take responsibility, we get out of the victim mode and move on. Your education is never complete. Determined to live fully and continually learn. The highest reward for one's toil is not what one gets for it, but what one becomes by it. Never hurt others to heal yourself. Never hurt yourself to heal others. Just because you hate this chapter doesn't mean you'll hate the book. What we fear doing most is usually what we most need to do. Sacrifice today for tomorrow's betterment. You are willing to pay those payments with pain, because pain is just a message when you are fixing something that's insufficient in your life. You will meet people who you just can't get along with, no matter how correct you come. You can say and do all the right things, but will bump heads, regardless. Enjoy what you can, and ignore the rest. Let's not waste any energy fighting things that are outside our control. Much suffering and much unhappiness arise when you take each thought that comes into your head for the truth. We feel guilty when we no longer want to associate with old friends who have not changed, but this is the price and marker of growth. Unless you try to do something beyond what you have already mastered, you will never grow. The trouble is, if you don't spend your life yourself, other people spend it for you. Choosing comfort over discomfort does not lead to a comfortable life. Be like a tree, and let the dead leaves drop. Be patient and tough. Someday, this pain will be useful to you. At some point, you will realize no one has a say in your life unless you let them. Never give up on what you want to do. The person with big dreams is more powerful than the one with all the facts. Out of suffering have emerged the strongest souls. The most massive characters are seared with scars. It's your road, and yours alone. Others may walk it with you, but no one can walk it for you. Forget trying to change people. Either change yourself, or change your environment, or both. Shallow men believe in luck. Strong men believe in cause and effect. Sometimes, it's the thought of someone leaving you, which is more painful than the pain you feel when someone leaves you. Your life becomes so peaceful when your anger for the people who hurt you turns into sympathy for them. Stand up for your obstacles and do something about them. You will find that they haven't half the strength you think they have. The chief trick to making good mistakes is not to hide them, especially not from yourself. Do not cling to any one person, not even your most beloved. Every person is a prison, and also a hiding place. One of my biggest life lessons is, we heal at the speed of our forgiveness. Don't be afraid to do things by yourself. Waiting for other people will cause you to miss out on some wonderful things in life. In every success story, you will find someone who has made a courageous decision. People are more selfish than you think they are. If someone's words do not match their actions, get away from them. The journey to your success will always begin with a small step of taking a chance. Life gets better when health becomes your first priority. The more seriously you take yourself, the unhappier you're going to be. You have to walk and create the way by your walking. You will not find a ready-made path. Our suffering is caused by holding on to how things might have been, should have been, could have been. Recognizing that you are not where you want to be is a starting point to begin changing your life. Following a path is easy. Creating a new one can be painful, but it will lead you to new places. Your life becomes meaningful in precise proportion to the depths of the responsibility you are willing to shoulder. You must let the pain visit. You must allow it to teach you. You must not allow it to overstay. Try to get what you love, otherwise, you'll have to love what you got. Don't just love yourself, have respect for yourself. If you don't, other people will have no problems walking all over you. There's only one thing more precious than our time, and that's who we spend it on. You cannot be afraid to disappoint people. You have to live the life you want to live. Obstacles aren't roadblocks, they're road signs. Being deluded and scared will make you suffocate. Being honest with yourself and responsible will make you breathe. You'll ruin your life, trying to make everyone happy. The things that you consider to be yours own you far more than you own them. More important than the ability to pick the right one is the strength to walk away from the wrong one. You can win a lot in life just by being the last one to give up. No man is more unhappy than he who never faces adversity, for he is not permitted to prove himself. Always place your becoming above your current being. If you're not resilient by now, life is only going to get tougher for you. Seek first to understand, then to be understood. Change is scary because known challenges and pain are easier to accept than unknown ones. The world will not become kinder to you just because you are a good person. Good people are the ones who are played with the most. You may have had unfair things happen to you, but the depth of your pain is an indication of the height of your future. It is wise to keep in mind that neither success nor failure is ever final. The good life is not one immune to sadness, but one in which suffering contributes to our development.